Hi children, today we are going to learn handwriting. What is handwriting? Learning to form and write every letter, both big and small, perfectly. If you have a good handwriting, then the teacher can read quickly and then you can score a lot of marks. Having good handwriting is also tells how good you are, what good character you have. So handwriting has a lot to talk about. You. So today we will learn to write every letter correctly, form correctly, join correctly. Yes, children, remember, a teacher loves children who have good handwriting. Yes, if I can read what you write, then simply everything is easy. Remember, when you write into your notebook, your writing should be beautiful. Anyone should be able to see that. Shall we learn? Yes. First, we will do the capital letters. How do we write the big letters? When do we write that? When you write your name, you should begin with the capital letter. When you write the days of the week, months of the year, names of places, cities and towns, you write in capital letter. So today, let's learn capital letters. Watch how I write. Yes, I'm sure you have cursive writing book. First watch, then write. Now, I begin with A. Now, A begins from here. We have one red line, two red line, and two blue lines in the middle. For capital A, we are going to use the first three letters, first three lines. It doesn't come beyond. Okay? A begins like this. Goes up, comes down, and this is A. We have used just three lines. Okay? We begin from here, go up, come down, and that is capital A. Shall we write it again? Watch carefully. Now, we begin. Are you looking at me? Yes. Down here, goes up, comes down, and that's it. Okay? Again, shall we do it again? Yes. Here goes up and down. Yes? Good. Here. Up and down. Here you have the A. What did we learn? A. The A stands on the first three lines. Okay? Now, A sound A. Shall we take the next letter? Look. The next letter is B and the sound is B. Look. We begin from the top. The B begins from the top, goes up and make a nice bubble. Alright, that is capital B. You got it? Look, it comes right, start with the red line, comes down, make a bubble, and that's it. Okay? Again, you start from the top, comes right down to the blue line, and then make a big. Yes? Good. Again, look. We'll start from the red line, comes down, goes up here again, and that is B, capital B. Got it? Next, we are going to do capital letter C. What is the sound of C? Curve. The C comes from the blue line like this. Okay? We'll start from the top blue line, and that is C. Alright? Again, look, from the top blue line, it goes like this. Yes? From the top blue line, it goes up like this. C. From the top blue line, goes up like this. So we have done A, B, and C. Shall we go to D? What's the sound of D? D. Now, capital D begins from the top. Again, it's going to start on the blue line. Look. Up. D. Look. From the red line comes down, right up, D. Got it? Again, from the red line comes down, right up. Yes, that is capital D. From the red line comes down, and that is capital D. Let's write letter E. Look carefully. E will begin from the top blue line. It will go up and then come down. Okay. E will go right up and then make a something like the C, but not like the C. All right. Now, E. Please look. From here, it goes up. E. All right. Look again. From here, it goes up and then you make a loop like this. Again. From here, it goes up. Good. Yes? Good. Now here, it goes up. This is capital E. What's the next letter? Letter F. What's the sound? Let capital letter F. Capital letter F starts from the red line and comes down. Look, it comes down and draw a line here. F. Look, like this, and a line here. Letter F is very easy. Letter F is very, very easy. All right? Letter F. Next is capital letter G. G. The sound is G. This particular letter G, you have to use all the 4 lines. Look carefully. We'll begin from here, goes up, and then comes right up, down. From here, you go up, comes down, and go up. G. Capital letter G. Again, look. You begin from this, goes up, comes right down, G. Look again. It goes from blue line up, comes right down, G. Good. Again, you go up, right down, and it comes right down to the red line. That is G. Next, we are going to write letter H. It stands on the 3 line only. What is the sound of H? Good. H. H goes like this. Then again 1 line here. And that is capital letter H. Look carefully. Start from the red line. Comes down. Take your hand off. Then again like this. All right? Now again, look. First, write the something like T. And then it comes down. You take off your hand. Down. And that is H. Try it again. Here. Yes? Take your hand off. H. So we learn to write letter H. You can write one more letter. I. Inky. I. Capital I. I. See, I is very easy. Yes? I is very easy. Look. I. It stands on the 3 lines. I. All right? So, we learn to write capital A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. If you practice, it will come easily. Yes?